Hello students, in this video I'm going to cover your writing part question number 2, okay, or you can say the learning objective question number 70. In this question, what exactly we are going to learn? We are going to learn about displacement, velocity, acceleration. And the other major thing is that what is the difference between average velocity and the maximum or instantaneous velocities. Okay, so these are the major things you need to understand. Whenever you are solving average, it means total displacement divided by total time. If you are solving anything instantaneous velocity, then you have to make v is equals to dx by dt. And for finding maximum, in that case, your acceleration should be equals to 0. I'm going to solve everything step by step. So you just need to focus on all these things during the question. Okay. The first question, what you need to understand. The position of a particle moving along the x-axis is given by. So what is given here? Displacement. Okay. Simple thing. So if displacement is given, x is equals to 11 plus 14t minus 2t square. So we know we can solve velocity, we can solve the acceleration. Where t is the second and x in meter, what is the average velocity? Okay. If he is asking about average velocity, so remember no derivative. No derivative. Okay. Just only place value of time to find velocity. Okay. So during the time interval from t equals to 1 to t equals to 4. Okay, so what is the major point you need to focus? So first thing you need to find x1. It means 11 plus 14 times 1 negative 2 times of 1 square. Do you understand? Second thing, you need to find x4, which is equals to 11 plus 14 times 4 minus 2 times of 4 square. So you will get x initial, here you will get x final. So average velocity is, what you need to do, x final minus x initial upon, what is the total time? So you have to say 4 minus 1. So here is, once you solve it, 35 minus 23 divided by 3, which is your 4 meter per second. Clear? Like this, you need to solve the average velocity because he's asking during that time. So it means starts from 1 ends at 4. So this is the velocity. Clear? Okay, next question. The position of a particle moving along x-axis, okay, moving along x-axis, and the displacement is given. So means 90% of your question is solved, where x is in meter and t is in second. What is the position of the particle when it achieves maximum speed? I told you, what is the meaning of maximum speed? Maximum speed means acceleration is 0, because we know acceleration is dv divided by dt. So if you have a constant value, maximum means the velocity is not going to change, means fixed value, constant. So the derivative of constant is always 0. Okay. So we have x, solve it. Okay. So for velocity, we need to make the derivative. Okay. So v is equals to dx by dt. Solve it. So v is equals to 3t square. 3 derivative of t square is 2t minus 2 is outside, derivative of t cube 3t square. Okay guys, I'm solving one part for you if you don't know how to solve that differentiation. Okay, So I will solve it here for you in this box, okay? The derivative part, so that you can relate the question. Derivative. The first rule is y is equals to x power n. So if you solve this, dy over dx, power shift power is reduced by 1. Let's say y is equals to t cube, or y is equals to x cube. That is better for you to understand. Okay, x cube. In that case, how to solve that? So dy over dx, power shift 3, x raised to power 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. So if you have any number with, let's say here in this question, we have the number 3.0. So I take it out 3. Derivative of t square is power shift 2, t raised to power 2 minus 1. So which will become 2t. Is it fine? Negative. 2 is here. Okay, 2, then t cube. So for t cube, power shift 3t, 3 minus 1, which will be 3t square. Do you understand? This is your velocity. So velocity is 6t minus 6t square. Till here clear? Okay. Now, what I told you, we have to find maximum speed, means acceleration should be 0. So, A should be equals to dv over dt. Solve it. 6 outside. Okay. Power of t is 1. So, dt divided by dt. Cancel out. So, it will become 6 plus or minus, okay, 6 t square gives you 2t. So can I say negative 12t? This is your acceleration, and we know acceleration should be equals to 0. So solve it here. 6 minus 12t equals to 0. Okay, so from here you can solve. Your time is equals to 0.5 second, and you can solve the distance at this time. You can say when time is 0.5 second, velocity is maximum. And how much distance you cover, just place in the equation. We have the equation x is equals to 3t square minus 2t cube. So place it, t is equals to 0.5. So you will get 0.5 meter. Like this, you need to solve the question. You understand how to solve the maximum speed and when acceleration is 0. Okay, next question. This is something good one. A train is traveling. Let's say this is the train. Okay, it is traveling with a speed of 40 meter per second. It means this is the initial speed, vxi, which is equals to 40. Okay, is heading straight towards the train which is at rest on the same track. Okay, let's say you are moving on this track and there is one another train. Okay, and this is at rest. Fine. Okay, the moving train deaccelerates. So acceleration is negative 6 meter per second square. Deaccelerates. And the stationary trains, so the distance is 100 meter. How far from the stationary train the moving train will comes to stop? Okay, v final velocity is 0. So what we are looking for, we need to check where the train A, let's say this is the train B, where it will stop. Either it is going to hit or it will be stopped before. So we need to find the final distance. We need to find the final distance. Okay, just apply the rule. Vf square is equals to Vi square plus 2a x final minus x initial. Yes or no? Okay, so V final is 0, V initial is 40 plus 2. Acceleration is negative, so negative 6. X final we need to find out, initial is 0, because the state from where we need to consider that is 0. Okay, solve this. So you will find X final distance is 133.3 meter. What do you understand with this meter? How much is the distance? The distance is 100. and where the train can stop at 133. It means train A train A will collide. The train A will collide with train B. Clear? Understand? Okay, next question. An object is thrown vertically upward. Okay, first thrown. Thrown means there is an initial velocity. Initial velocity not equals to 0. Vertically upward means acceleration is equals to negative g. Has a speed, okay, initial speed is given, I told you. So v naught is equals to 20 meter per second. When it reaches 2/3 of its height, so can I say h initial is equals to 2/3 of h. Do you understand? 2/3 of h above the launch point. Determine the maximum height. So what we need to find? H. Do you understand? Okay, simple equation. Apply this and solve it. So there is no time. No time is given. So you have to use Vf square is equals to Vi square plus 2a xf minus xi, or you can say yf minus yi. So we can solve the whole question in terms of yf minus yi. Okay, the final velocity. So at the maximum height, the final velocity is 0. Okay, initial velocity given is 20. Okay, now it is going upward. So minus 2g 9.81. Yf is height h minus initial height is 2/3h. Okay, so can you solve this? Okay, solve the height from this equation. You will get 61.2 meter. This is your maximum height. Understand? Clear? Okay, so till here I covered your question number 17, and I will meet you soon with the next question in the new video. Till then, take care. Bye.